How does addiction affect criminal charges and sentencing? Have you ever wondered how addiction can impact someone's legal troubles? It is a complex issue that intertwines addiction with the legal system. Addiction is recognized as a chronic disease that affects the brain. This can lead to poor judgment and impulsive behavior, which may result in criminal activity to support substance use. When it comes to criminal charges, individuals struggling with addiction often face offenses like possession or driving under the influence. The specific charges can vary based on the substance involved. For instance, different drugs have different legal classifications, which can affect the severity of the charges. Additionally, people who are under the influence or going through withdrawal may commit crimes they would not normally consider, such as theft or assault. This is often due to impaired decision-making linked to their addiction. Now, let's talk about sentencing. Courts may consider addiction as a factor when determining penalties. In some cases, a substance use disorder can be seen as a reason to lessen the severity of a sentence. This means that instead of prison time, a judge might opt for treatment programs or probation. However, this approach is not consistent across all cases. Some offenders still receive lengthy prison sentences despite their struggles with addiction. Repeat offenders, particularly those whose crimes are directly related to funding their addiction, may face even harsher penalties. Laws like 3 strikes statutes can impose long sentences for repeat felonies, often overlooking the need for treatment. Critics argue that these laws do not address the root cause of criminal behavior, which is often addiction. Legal defense strategies are evolving to focus on addiction as a condition that requires treatment rather than just punishment. Defense attorneys increasingly advocate for sentences that include mandatory treatment programs. This approach recognizes that addressing addiction can lead to lower rates of reoffending and better long-term outcomes. In the context of coping with withdrawal and having support systems in place, legal assistance is vital. Individuals facing charges related to addiction benefit from legal advocates who understand the challenges of substance use disorders. These advocates can help navigate the legal system and explore options for treatment-focused sentencing. Courts may even require participation in treatment programs as a condition of probation or parole, blending legal consequences with support for recovery. Addiction significantly affects criminal charges and sentencing by influencing the nature of offenses and the legal response. While some individuals may find opportunities for treatment, others may face severe penalties. Effective legal assistance is essential to ensure that addiction is taken into account in criminal cases, supporting both justice and recovery.